In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your videos in stunning 4K resolution using Capcut on your iPhone. Whether you're looking to create professional quality content or you just want the best possible clarity, exporting in 4K can dramatically improve the viewing experience. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure your video looks as vibrant and sharp as possible. The first thing you'll want to do is open Capcut on your iPhone. Make sure that you have already completed all your editing. This means any cuts, transitions, text overlays or effects you want to include should already be added to your timeline. Once you're satisfied with your edits and your video is ready for export, it's time to move on to the next step. Look towards the top right corner of your screen and tap on the export button. This button is your gateway to saving your video, but before we do, we need to ensure it's set to 4K resolution. This way the final product captures every detail with crystal clarity. After tapping export, you'll be directed to the export screen. Here you're offered various options that dictate how your video will be saved and displayed. What you need to focus on right now is the resolution setting. Tap on resolution and you'll be given a list of choices. Among those options, you'll want to select 4K, which is listed as 3840 by 2160. This is the highest resolution available, meaning your video will be preserved with remarkable precision and depth. However, keep in mind that exporting in 4K will create a larger file size, so ensure you have enough space on your device and that your project warrants such quality. Once 4K is selected, you simply tap the export button once more. Now, Capcut will go through the process of saving your video. Depending on the duration of your footage and your device's performance, this might take a little time. Be patient, as the result will be well worth the wait. That's it. You have just successfully exported your video in 4K using Capcut on your iPhone. Now your video is ready to share with the world, offering superior quality that stands out on any platform. Remember, whenever you're aiming for that extra detail and vibrancy, 4K is your go-to choice. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to save it for reference. Thanks for joining me and enjoy creating with Capcut.